For this latest release at ABC Glofox, we have some exciting updates about appointments. You're now able to create variable and recurring appointments and have the bookings for them on the client side. They can even do so through the app, and we even have appointment reminders. So let's dive straight in. Creating your appointments is simple. Head to the appointment side on the Manage tab, and here you can follow through the flow to create the names, descriptions, select eligible staff, durations. You can even select if clients are allowed to attend with credits or with payment only. Once you've created the appointment type, you can then set up a schedule for that particular trainer. You can do this from the dashboard at the back end. Any changes you make here for the daily or weekly schedule will be available on your member app. When it comes to scheduling an appointment for a customer, you can still do one-offs, but now you're able to also do recurring bookings. Simply select the appointment in question, the customer in question, the start and the end date, and Glofox will automatically review the trainer availability, book in the associated appointments, and avoid any double bookings in the process. You can also create these one-off appointments through the Glofox Pro app. When these appointments are created, members can even book them directly and easily through your branded member app. Clients can also book appointments on the web portal. Any appointment that is set to public will be visible on the web portal for clients to book. The client can filter by appointment type, trainer, or a combination of both. So, some exciting updates with more still to come, and please do email us for further information.